Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, call me Andien. I'm a student from D4 Telecommunication Engineering Study Program in Polytechnic Stage Padang. To complete my midterm exam in English course, here I will explain my tips and tricks to answer the question in TOEIC. The TOEIC or Test of English for International Communication. Test in an English language proficiency test for people whose native language is not English. It measures the everyday English skill of people working in an international environment. Pertama kita mengenal bagian-bagian dari TOEIC. TOEIC memiliki dua bagian. Yang pertama itu adalah listening comprehension dan reading comprehension. Listening merupakan bagian yang menguji kemampuan kita dalam memahami percakapan yang dilakukan dalam bahasa Inggris dan digunakan di dalam dunia kerja sehari-hari. Waktu yang diberikan untuk bagian ini ada 45 menit dan pada listening terdapat 4 bagian lagi. Yang pertama itu ada photographs, question, response, conversation, dan talks. Part 1, photograph. Pada bagian fotograf ini, kita akan diberikan 10 gambar, di mana gambar ini berkisar tentang dunia kerja, kesehatan, hiburan, dan lain-lainnya. Sebelum kita melihat gambar, speaker akan menyebutkan nomor soal. Dan setelah itu, kita dapat melihat gambar untuk beberapa saat sebelum speaker menyebutkan pernyataan dalam pilihan A, B, C, dan D. Pilihan tidak akan tertulis dalam buku tes dan hanya akan diperdengarkan satu kali. Oleh karena itu, kita harus berkonsentrasi dalam mendengarkan pernyataan-pernyataan tersebut. Usahakan yang kita lakukan langsung menjawab setiap soal karena kita tidak dapat kembali ke bagian ini jika ada soal yang belum kita kerjakan. Pilihan-pilihan yang diberikan biasanya mengacu kepada salah satu bagian atau keseluruhan bagian yang ada dalam gambar. Dan berhati-hatilah dalam memilih karena pernyataan yang diberikan yang disebutkan bisa saja benar walau hanya sebagian. Dan pilihlah pernyataan yang benar secara keseluruhan. Contohnya, direction. For each question in this part, you will hear 4 statements. You must select one statement that best describe what you see in the picture. Then find the number of the question on your answer sheet and mark your answer. The statement will not be printed in your textbook and will be spoken only one time. You will hear, now listen to the 4 statement. The man is wearing a white hard hat. B. They are wearing red shirt. C. There are rules on the table. D. There is a yellow hard hat on the table. Statement D, there is a yellow hard hat on the table, is the best description on the picture, so you should select answer D and mark it on your answer sheet. Tips and tricks photographs. Look at the picture quickly before the 4 answer choices are played. Perhatikan gambar secara cepat sebelum 4 pilihan jawaban didengarkan. Ask the question who, what, where, when it comes to picture. Tanyakan pertanyaan mengenai who, what, where, when mengenai gambar. Answer the question quickly because the answer choice will not be heard twice. Jawab pertanyaan dengan cepat karena pilihan jawaban tidak akan diperdengarkan 2 kali. The 3 wrong answer choice have the following character. 3 pilihan jawaban yang salah memiliki karakteristik. Yang pertama itu contains answer containing false statement. Itu mengandung jawaban yang berisi sebagian pernyataan yang salah. Lalu ada contains word that do not revert to the context image shown. Berisi kata yang tidak mengacu kepada konteks gambar yang diperlihatkan. Ketiga ada contains words that have a similar sound. Yang mengandung kata-kata yang memiliki bunyi yang serupa. Yang kedua ada part 2 question and response. Pada bagian ini, kita akan diberikan 30 soal yang berisi pertanyaan atau pernyataan singkat. Setiap soal, kita akan mendengar seorang speaker yang mengajukan pertanyaan atau pernyataan. Dan setelah itu, kita akan mendengarkan 3 respon yang berbeda. Kita harus memilih yang paling tepat sebagai respon dari pertanyaan atau pernyataan yang diajukan. Contohnya, direction. You will hear a question or statement and 3 response spoken in English. They will not be printed in your textbook and will be spoken only one time. Select the best response to the question or statement and mark the letter A, B, or C on your answer sheet. You will hear, do you still need a glass of water? You will also hear, A, I already got one. B, the water is right over there. C, you should drink. The best response to the question, do you still need a glass of water? Is choice A, I already got one. So, as the correct answer, you should mark answer A on your answer sheet. Tips and tricks. Question response. Look for words that sound similar but have different meanings. Perhatikan gambar kata-kata yang memiliki bunyi serupa namun memiliki arti yang berbeda. Pay attention to WH question. Who, what, when, where, why, how that asks for information. Perhatikan WH question, pertanyaan. Who, what, when, where, why, how yang menanyakan tentang informasi. And pay attention to question with question text that record yes or no answer. Perhatikan pertanyaan dengan question tag yang membutuhkan jawaban yes atau no. Pay attention to question that still need answer. Perhatikan pertanyaan yang tetap memerlukan jawaban. Choose the best answer quickly. If you are in doubt, do not clear the answer sheet because there is no deduction for point for wrong answer. Pilihlah jawaban yang paling tepat dengan cepat. Jika kita merasa ragu, jangan kosongkan lembar jawaban karena tidak ada pengurangan poin atau atas jawaban yang salah. Part 3 Short Conversation. Pada bagian ini, kita akan diberikan beberapa percakapan singkat yang dilakukan oleh dua orang. Satu percakapan biasanya berisi 3 pertanyaan, dan setelah itu percakapan singkat diperdengarkan. Kita harus menyimak dengan seksama untuk menangkap isi percakapan. Example, direction. You will hear some conversation between two people. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speakers say in each conversation. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The conversation will not be printed in your textbook and will be spoken only one time. You will hear, the man, do you want to share a taxi to the airport? We can save on expenses that way, and as you know, the company is trying to cut costs. The woman, actually, I'm not flying. I'm going to the conference by bus. I have to leave tomorrow because it's going to take 2 days to get there. The man, that's right. I forget that you are afraid of flying. Are you taking a vacation day tomorrow? The woman, well, I worked some overtime last week, so I just banked it instead of wasting a holiday day. Next, you will read the question with your possible answer. 1. How is the woman traveling? A. By plane. B. By bus. C. By taxi. D. By car. 2. Why aren't the man and woman going together? A. The woman needs to arrive early. B. The man has to work overtime. C. The woman dislikes air travel. D. The man has to go. The best response to the question number 1, how is the woman traveling? Is just B, by bus. So B is the correct answer. You should mark answer B on your answer sheet to the bank first. The best response to the question number 2, why aren't the man and woman going together? Is choice C. The woman dislikes air travel. So C is the correct answer. You should mark answer C on your answer sheet. Tips and tricks short conversation. In listening to the conversation, make hard questions to analyze the content of the conversation so that you will find it easier to answer the next question asked. Dalam menyimak percakapan, buatlah pertanyaan-pertanyaan bantuan untuk menganalisa isi percakapan, sehingga kita akan lebih mudah dalam menjawab pertanyaan yang diajukan selanjutnya. Contohnya ada, who are the speaker? What are they talking about? Where are they? What are the speaker professions? Why are they discussing the matter? When does the conversation happen? Read the question before the dialogue is heard. If you have time, read the answer choice provided. Bacalah pertanyaan sebelum dialog didengarkan. Jika sempat, bacalah pilihan-pilihan jawab yang tersedia. Research it in reading the answer choice because there may be correct answer but is not related to the question being asked. Telitilah dalam membaca pilihan jawaban karena mungkin ada jawaban yang benar namun tidak berhubungan dengan pertanyaan yang diajukan. Don't listen and then read then listen. Jangan mendengarkan lalu membaca, bacalah dahulu baru mendengarkan. Be aware of the following. Waspadailah hal-hal yang berikut ini. 1. Words that have a similar sound but have different meaning. Kata-kata yang memiliki bunyi yang serupa namun memiliki arti yang berbeda. Lalu ada inaccurate words, kata-kata yang tidak tepat. Lalu ada part 4 talks. Pada bagian ini kita akan mendengar narasi yang dibacakan oleh speaker tunggal. Ada 10 narasi dalam bagian ini dan setiap narasi berisi 3 pertanyaan. Setiap pertanyaan akan diperdengarkan 4 pilihan jawaban dan pilihlah jawaban yang tepat. Contohnya, direction. You will hear some talks given by a single speaker. You will be asked to answer 3 questions about what the speaker say in each talk. Select the best response to each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. The talk will not be printed in your textbook and will be spoken only one time. You will hear. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. This is your tour guide speaking. I hope you have enjoyed the cruise of the Inner Harbor today. We certainly had a nice day for it, especially compared to yesterday. The ship will be docking in approximately 5 minutes. Once we are docked, please collect all of your belongings and exit the ship. As a reminder, our group will be exiting to the right. Follow the north ramp all the way to the far end on the platform. Before heading to the farmer market, we will gather under the ferry terminal welcome sign for a group photo. Next, you will read question with 4 possible answers. 1. What should the passenger do before exiting the ship? A. Welcome the visitor. B. Check the time. C. Collect their personal item. D. Take a picture. 2. What will happen in the 5 minutes? A. The ship will arrive at the dock. B. The passenger will go shopping. C. The passenger will take photos of the ship. D. The market will open. The best response to the question number 1, what should the passenger do before exiting the ship, is choice C, collect their personal item. So C is the correct answer. You should mark answer C on your answer sheet. The best response to question number 2, what will happen in 5 minutes, is choice A. The ship will arrive at the dock. So A is the correct answer. You should mark answer A on your answer sheet. Tips and tricks. Thoughts. Read the answer and answer choice before the narrative is heard. Bacalah jawaban dan pilihan jawaban sebelum narasi didengarkan. Don't listen and then read it first then listen. Jangan mendengarkan lalu membaca, bacalah terlebih dahulu baru mendengarkan. Listen to the beginning of the narrative. This section can give you an idea of what kind of information the narrative provides. Dengarkan bagian awal narasi. Bagian ini kita dapat memberikan kita gambaran tentang jenis informasi apa yang diberikan oleh narasi. Start answering the question as soon as the narration is finished. Mulailah jawab pertanyaan begitu narasi selesai didengarkan. Be aware of the following. Waspadailah hal-hal berikut. Terus, word that have a similar sound but have different meaning. Kata-kata yang dimiliki bunyi serupa namun memiliki arti yang berbeda. Incorrect words, kata-kata yang tidak tepat. Incorrect wording, susunan kata yang tidak tepat. Confusing number, such as time, date, or number of people. Angka pengecoh seperti waktu, tanggal, atau jumlah orang. B. Reading comprehension. Part 5. Incomplete sentence. Pada bagian incomplete sentence, bagian ini menguji kemampuan kita untuk memilih kata atau frasa yang paling tepat untuk melengkapi sebuah kalimat. Hal yang diukur dalam bagian ini adalah pengetahuan kosakata dan tata bahasa kita. Terdapat 40 soal dalam bagian ini. Pada setiap soal terdapat 4 pilihan jawaban yang harus dipilih dengan tepat. Contohnya, direction. A word or phrase is missing in each of the following sentence. 4 answer choices are given below each sentence. Select the best answer to complete the sentence, then mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. You will read a sentence with a blank despite having 4 years of experience in software programming. Mr. Jones had used a word processing program blah 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 blah. Next, you will read for choice. Choose the word or phrase that best fits into the blank. A. Prior. B. Advanced. C. Previous. D. Before. The sentence should read despite having 4 years or experience in software programming. Mr. Jones has used a word processing program before. Therefore, you should choose answer D. Before. Tips and trick incomplete sentence. Don't worry about spelling because the TOEIC answer choice never contains spelling mistake. Jangan khawatir tentang ejaan karena pilihan jawaban TOEIC tidak pernah berisi ejaan yang salah. Read and understand the entire sentence before answering. Baca dan pahami keseluruhan kalimat sebelum menjawab. Be aware of using preposition, adjective, conjunction, tenses, and wrong tenses. Waspadalah penggunaan preposition, adjective, conjunction, tense, dan bentuk kata yang salah. Be careful with words that start or end the same. For example, return, reborn. Berhati-hatilah terhadap kata yang memiliki awalan atau akhiran yang sama. Misalnya ada return dan reborn. Beware of commonly misused words. For example, effect or effect. Berhati-hatilah terhadap kata yang biasa salah digunakan. Misalnya ada effect or effect. Yang keenam ada text completion. Pada bagian ini terdapat beberapa bagian teks dengan kata atau frasa yang hilang. Tugas kita adalah melengkapi bagian tersebut dengan jawaban yang tepat dari 4 pilihan jawaban yang diberikan. Dari masing-masing soal, kita bisa merujuk pada bagian lain dari teks untuk menjawab soal yang diberikan. Contohnya, direction. Read the text that follow a word or phrase is missing in some of the sentence. 4 answer choices are given below each of the sentence. Select the best answer to complete the text, then mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. Discount Show Emporium. Memorandum to sales staff from Management BK that October 9/20 blah blah. Subject flyer misprint. Please be aware that there was a misprint in the advertisement for our store in this week. Local free press that access them Saturday are meant formal footwear is on for 55% of rather blah 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 50% off. 1. A. That. B. Then. C. Then. D. There. Is customer coming and ask about this sale? Please blah 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 and explain the printing error. After them, an additional 5% of coupon to thank them from coming into our store. The coupon can be given out even if the customer decides not to purchase any shoes. 2. Apologize. B. Compromise. C. Categories. D. Analyze. Please call a manager to the sales floor, blah blah blah. You encounter any customer who have the ad with them and demand to receive the 55% discount. The case will be handled on individual basis. 3. A. Because. B. Whether. C. If. D before. Thank you. BK. The sentence should read, please be aware that there was a misprint in an advertisement for our store in this week's local free press. The ad states that on Saturday all men's formal footwear is on full 55% off rather than 50% off. And if customers come in ask about this sale, please apologize and explain the printing error after them an additional 5% of coupon to thank them for coming into our store. The coupon can be given or even if the customer decides not to purchase any shoes. And please call a manager to the sale floor if you encounter any customer who have the ad redeemed and demand to receive the 55% discount. This case will be handled on an individual basis. Therefore, you should choose answer B, A, and C. Tips and tricks text complication. The strategy used in this section is similar to the strategy used in the incomplete sentence section. It's just that the existing question are part of a text, so that in the answer the question is not only the grammar that must be considered, but also the context of the text. Strategi yang kita gunakan dalam mengerjakan bagian ini serupa dengan strategi yang kita gunakan pada bagian incomplete sentence. Hanya saja soal-soal yang ada merupakan bagian dari suatu teks, sehingga dalam menjawab soal-soal tersebut tidak hanya tata bahasa yang harus diperhatikan, tetapi juga konteks dari teks tersebut. Part 7 Reading Comprehension. Pada bagian ini, kita akan menemukan ragam teks seperti email, surat, dan memo yang diikuti oleh pertanyaan yang seluruhnya berjumlah 40 soal. Beberapa pertanyaan mengharuskan kita untuk membaca dua jenis teks yang berbeda dan mengaitkan keduanya, agar dapat menjawab pertanyaan-pertanyaan yang diajukan. Contohnya, direction. In this part, you will read a selection of text such as a magazine and newspaper article, letter, and the advertisement. Each text is followed by several questions. Select the best answer for each question and mark the letter A, B, C, or D on your answer sheet. In the picture, free sunglasses and case. Possess a 12-month subscription to Vacation the Nation today and receive a free pair of sunny sunglasses with your very own soft leather case. To get your free sunglasses, follow these 3 easy steps. 1. Purchase a copy of Vacation the Nation Network One travel magazine. 2. Fill out the application card or phone in the center of the magazine. 3. Mail the cards and $21.95 to the address provided. This is a limited time offer only. Application and funds must be received no later than December 1, 2004. Canadian residents should earn $3 for shipping, often not available for residents outside or of North America. Question and answer. 1. What is the advertisement for? A. A summer trip. B. A travel company. C. A special deal. D. A free magazine. The reading text tells that his advertisement is for a special deal. Therefore, you should choose answer C. 2. How much do the sunglasses cost? A. They are free with a subscription. B. They cost $1. C. They cost $3 Canadian. D. They cost $21.95. The reading text tells that the sunglasses cost $21.95. Therefore, you should choose answer D. Tips and tricks reading comprehension. Read each text quickly, the review and question what the topic and general ideas of the text are. Bacalah setiap teks dengan cepat untuk meninjau dan menebak apa topik dan ide umum teks. 2. Read the question given, quickly read each answer option given. After that, go back to the text to find the information we need to answer the question. Bacalah pertanyaan yang diberikan, lalu baca dengan cepat setiap pilihan jawaban yang diberikan. Setelah itu, kembalilah ke teks untuk menemukan informasi yang kita butuhkan untuk menjawab pertanyaan. When you come across a word you don't know the meaning of, try to guess beside on the context. Bila menemukan kata yang tidak kita ketahui artinya, dan cobalah untuk menebak berdasarkan konteks yang ada. Don't read the text too carefully as it will waste time. Jangan membaca teks terlalu cermat karena itu akan membuang waktu kita. Thank you for listening to me. I hope the tips and tricks that I have provided are useful. Apologize for any mistake. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.